Can artificial intelligence ever surpass human intelligence? This question has been floating around for decades, sparking curiosity and debate. While the advancements in AI are impressive, it's crucial to understand that it's not a perfect system, and there are certain aspects of human intelligence that it simply cannot replicate. One of the key limitations of AI is its inability to possess human emotions. Emotions are complex and deeply intertwined with our experiences, memories, and personality. They are a fundamental part of our decision-making process and our interactions with others. AI, no matter how sophisticated, lacks this emotional depth. For instance, a chatbot might be programmed to recognize words associated with happiness or sadness, but it doesn't truly understand these emotions. It merely responds based on its programming, devoid of any genuine emotional understanding. Another limitation lies in AI's struggle with creative thinking. While AI can mimic patterns and generate content based on predefined rules, it lacks the ability to truly innovate or think outside the box. Take music composition, for example. AI can compose a piece based on a set of rules, but it doesn't understand the emotion or the story behind the music. It cannot create a melody that captures the essence of a human experience or a particular emotion. Furthermore, AI often has trouble understanding context. It struggles to comprehend the nuances and subtleties of human language, culture, and behavior. For instance, a translation software might provide a literal translation of a phrase, but it may miss out on the cultural nuances and the intended meaning based on the context. The lack of common sense is another significant limitation of AI. Humans use common sense to make sense of the world and to make decisions. It's a basic level of practical knowledge and judgment that we often take for granted. However, AI doesn't possess this innate understanding. It can't make logical assumptions or understand basic concepts that humans find intuitive. As we can see, AI has its limitations, and there are certain aspects of human intelligence that it simply cannot replicate. As we delve deeper into this topic, we'll explore more of these limitations and the implications they have on our interaction with AI. Welcome back, dear viewers. We're so glad you could join us today. Your time and curiosity are what drive this exploration into the intriguing world of artificial intelligence. If you're as fascinated as we are, consider subscribing to our channel for more insights into the world of AI. Share these insights with friends and colleagues who might find this topic as captivating as we do. And most importantly, join the conversation by leaving your thoughts and questions in the comments section. We're eager to hear your perspective on AI's limitations. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future deep dives into AI. Now let's keep the conversation going and dive deeper into the limitations of AI. Opening. How creative can AI really be? Now let's take a deep dive into one of the most intriguing limitations of artificial intelligence, its struggle with creative thinking. While AI can certainly mimic creativity, it's not quite the same as human ingenuity. You see, the crux of creativity lies in the ability to make connections, to see patterns where others don't, and to create something truly original and innovative. However, AI's creativity is fundamentally different. It's more about optimization and combination rather than true innovation. AI can generate new mixtures of existing ideas, yes, but it lacks the human ability to conceive truly original concepts. For instance, while an AI might be able to generate a new piece of music by analyzing and combining existing melodies, it would struggle to invent a whole new genre of music, as humans have done countless times throughout history. Moreover, AI can't appreciate beauty or emotion in the way we do. It can't feel the chill of a haunting melody or the thrill of a plot twist in a novel. It can't savor the satisfaction of a well-crafted sentence or the sublime beauty of a painting. These are uniquely human experiences, born out of our ability to feel and to empathize, qualities that AI simply cannot replicate. Closing. While AI can generate new combinations of existing ideas, it lacks the human ability to create truly original concepts. Can AI distinguish right from wrong? This is a question that continues to baffle even the brightest minds in the field. Artificial intelligence, despite its incredible capabilities, lacks a moral compass. This means it doesn't possess the ability to make ethical decisions the way humans do. Let's delve into this a bit more. AI systems are programmed to perform tasks based on certain rules or algorithms. These algorithms are devoid of human emotions, empathy, or ethical judgment. AI doesn't understand the concept of right or wrong because these are human constructs, shaped by personal experiences, societal norms, and cultural values. Take, for instance, an autonomous vehicle faced with an unavoidable accident. The AI cannot make a moral decision on whether to swerve and potentially harm the passengers, or continue straight and potentially harm a pedestrian. This is a classic example of an ethical dilemma that AI systems as they stand today are incapable of resolving. Moreover, AI systems are only as good or as bad as the data they are fed. If the input data is biased, the AI's decisions will also be biased. This has led to several instances of AI systems making ethically questionable decisions, such as discriminatory hiring practices and racial bias in facial recognition software. These instances underline the fact that AI, sans a moral compass, can have serious ethical implications. It's a stark reminder that while AI can process and analyze vast amounts of data at incredible speeds, it lacks the moral and ethical judgment that is inherently human. What's important to remember here is that AI is a tool, created and controlled by humans. As such, it's our responsibility to ensure that it's used ethically. This involves incorporating ethical considerations right from the design stage, ensuring transparency in AI operations, and establishing checks and balances to prevent misuse. So, without a moral compass, AI can make decisions that humans would find ethically questionable. AI has immense potential to revolutionize various aspects of our lives, but only if we navigate its ethical landscape with care and caution. As we continue to develop and deploy AI, let's not forget the importance of the human touch in making moral and ethical decisions. What happens when AI encounters an ethical dilemma? As AI continues to evolve and permeate various sectors of society, it inevitably encounters ethical dilemmas. These dilemmas arise from the fact that AI, while highly advanced, is still incapable of understanding and applying the complex moral principles that humans use to navigate social interactions and decision-making. Take, for example, the case of autonomous vehicles. These vehicles use AI to make split-second decisions on the road. But what happens when an accident is inevitable? How does the AI decide what course of action to take? These are ethical decisions that humans would struggle with, let alone an AI system. Or consider the use of AI in law enforcement. Facial recognition technology, powered by AI, is being used by police departments worldwide to identify suspects. However, studies have shown that this technology can be biased, often misidentifying people of color at a higher rate than others. This raises serious ethical questions about discrimination and fairness. Another real-life example of AI ethical violation is the case of AI applications that make hiring decisions. These AI systems are trained on data from previous hiring decisions. If the data is biased, the AI system will also be biased, potentially leading to unfair hiring practices. So how do we address these ethical challenges? First and foremost, it is crucial to have diverse teams developing AI systems. These teams should be representative of the society where the AI system will be deployed, thus helping to mitigate inherent biases. Second, there needs to be a robust legal and regulatory framework in place to hold AI developers and users accountable for their systems. This could include laws around transparency, where AI systems must be able to explain their decision-making process clearly. Third, AI systems should be designed with ethical considerations in mind from the ground up. This means considering the potential ethical implications at every stage of the AI development process, from data collection to algorithm design, testing, and deployment. Finally, there needs to be ongoing monitoring and auditing of AI systems to identify and address ethical violations quickly. This could be done by an independent body or through self-regulation within the AI industry. As these examples show, ethical considerations are a significant challenge in AI development and use. What does the future hold for AI? It's a question that sparks both excitement and caution. As we look ahead, it becomes increasingly clear that the benefits of AI are significant, yet balanced by challenges that require our attention. Artificial intelligence, with its computational prowess, is transforming various aspects of society, from work and education, to industries like farming and services like banking. It's opening up new frontiers in healthcare, knowledge acquisition, and a myriad of other fields. The potential is vast, and the opportunities are exciting. AI can process large volumes of data quickly and accurately, make predictions, recognize patterns, and automate tasks, offering efficiency gains and cost savings. However, reaping these benefits is not without its challenges. One of the most significant barriers to the widespread adoption of AI is integrating and aggregating large volumes of data. The complexity of deep learning algorithms and the need for more robust hardware to support AI deployment also pose significant challenges. And let's not forget the shortage of talent with the necessary skills for AI implementation. These hurdles need to be overcome to fully unleash the potential of AI. Then, there's the ethical side of the coin. AI has the potential to improve our lives, but it also raises ethical and societal implications that need careful navigation. Issues of data responsibility, fairness, transparency, and the potential for misuse are all real and pressing concerns. From biased hiring practices to privacy breaches, real-life examples of AI ethical violations serve as stark reminders of the ethical dilemmas AI presents. Addressing these challenges requires a multi-pronged approach at policy, organizational, and individual levels. From policy development, legislation, and regulation to the creation of ethical frameworks, various initiatives are being put forward to ensure AI's trustworthiness. The importance of trust in AI cannot be overstated. Trust is what will ultimately determine the extent to which society accepts and adopts AI. So to all the business leaders and AI practitioners out there, here's our advice. Embrace AI, but do so with your eyes wide open. Understand its limitations, invest in the necessary infrastructure, and focus on building up skills. Prioritize ethical considerations and strive for transparency in your AI applications. Remember, AI should enhance human intelligence, not replace it. While AI has immense potential, it's important to remember its limitations and use it as a tool to enhance, not replace, human intelligence. Today we've explored the limitations of AI and how human intelligence remains unparalleled in many aspects. We've seen how AI struggles with creative thinking, how it lacks a moral compass, and the ethical dilemmas it faces. These limitations show us that while AI can be a powerful tool, it is far from perfect. It cannot replicate human emotions, understand context in the way humans do, or replace human intuition and empathy. We've also looked at real-life examples of AI ethical violations and provided solutions to these challenges. We all have a role to play in ensuring that AI is used responsibly and ethically. Whether you're a business leader, an AI practitioner, or just an interested observer, it's important to be aware of these issues and contribute to the discussion. As we look to the future, we must weigh the benefits of AI against these challenges. Despite its limitations, AI has the potential to bring about significant advancements in many fields, from healthcare to education to industry. But it's crucial that we approach this potential with caution and thoughtfulness, always keeping ethical considerations at the forefront. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of AI's limitations. Check out the video cards on the end screen for more on the AI revolution. Until next time, keep questioning and keep learning.